Hello everyone, welcome back to our math class of class 7. In last class, we learned how to convert binary number into decimal number. Now, we are converting decimal number into binary number system. The process of converting a decimal number to its binary is that to repeated division of the given number by the base of binary number. While converting uh, binary into decimal, we multiply by base of binary number system, which is 2. While converting decimal to binary number system, we divide by 2. So, what do we do? Divide by base of binary number system, which means divide by 2. That is 2. The IE means that is a in short form. It means we have to divide each term by 2. Now let's write some steps. Step 1, divide by 2 and keep the remainder on the right. Divide by 2 and keep the remainder on the right side. And then next step, continue division by 2 till the quotient becomes 0. Okay. Continue division by 2 till the quotient becomes 0. Becomes 0. Now, third step, write the remainder in reverse order. Write the remainder in reverse order. Okay. Now, I will show you one example. Let's convert 45 into binary number system. Binary number system. Okay, let's convert 45 into binary number system. First of all, what is given there? First step is divide by 2. Now let's write 45. Now is lie, we have to divide by 2. Divide by 2. 2, how many times you get 45? 2 2s are 4. Our 5 lie. Also 2 2s are 4. So 22 2s are 44. Now that remainder we write this side, right? Divide by 2 and keep the remainder on right side. Now what is remainder? 222 is 44. Remainder is 1. We write remainder here, okay? Now again we will divide it by 2. We have to divide each and this every number by 2, right? This make neat and clean in writing. Now 2 how many times? 2 ones are 2. Again 2 ones are 2. Remainder is 11 to the 22. Remainder is 0. Again, we have to divide by 2. We have to divide by 2 only, eh? Not by other numbers. 2. 2 how many times to get 11? Not possible. So 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 12 is greater than 11, so 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Remainder is 1. Now again we will divide this. 2 how many times to get 5? 2 2s are 4. Remainder 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 1. Again 2 how many times to get 2? 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 0. Look at it. 2 22s are 45. Sorry, 44. Remainder 1. 2 11s are 22. Remainder 0. 2 5s are 10. Remainder 1. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 0. Still not finished. Still not finished. We have to divide this one also. 2 how many times we get to 1? 2 cannot. So 2 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1. 2 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1. Continue division by 2 till the quotient becomes 0. Now quotient is 0, so finished. Now third step, write the remainder in reverse order. Now here this 45 is equals to, from down we have to write, okay? From down, reverse order भनेको उल्टोबाट 1 अनि 0, again 1, again 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. Now here base we have to write 2 because we are writing in base 2 number system. So 45 equals to 1 0 1 1 0 1. Okay. First of all, we have to divide by 2 and keep the remainder on right side. Next, continue division by 2. 2 ले divide गर्दै जाने, 2 ले मात्र है, अरु नम्बरले गर्न पाइदैन. अनि त्यसपछि रिमाइन्डर राख्दै जाने, अनि लास्टमा when we get 1, 2 zeros are 0, remainder is 1. And third step, write the remainder in reverse order. यहाँ मुनिदेखि माथिसम्मको अर्डरमा लेख्ने. Okay, I will show you one more example. There is another alternative way also, alternative method also. We will not do that, okay? Okay, let's convert 61. Okay, I'm showing another example also for you. Convert 61 into binary number. Now, यसलाई पनि same 61 लाई we have to divide. like 2 ले है, not by other number. Always we divide by 2. Now 2 how many times to get 61? 2 3s are 6, 1 like cannot be, 2 zeros are. So 2 30s are 60. 2 30s are 60. Now 2 be 61. Remainder is 1. And your remainder always either 1 or 0. We cannot get 2, 3 and other. This remainder always we get either 1 or 0. We don't get other than 1 and 0. Again, we divide by 2. Two how many times to get 30, sorry. 2 1s are 2, 1 goes there, 2 5s are 10 because it is 10. Now 2 15s are 30. Remainder is 0. Again, we will divide. 2 how many times to get 15? 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. So 16 is greater, 2 7s are 14. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. 2 7s are 14, to be 15, 1 should be added. That's why remainder is 1. Now next, is make neat and clean. Hey, 2 how many times to get 7? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 8 is greater than 7. So 2 3s are 6. Remainder is just 1. Again, we will continue until we don't get 0, right? And we don't divide by other, only 2. We use only 2. 2 how many times to get 3? 2 2s are 4. 2 2s, sorry. Because 3 is there. So 2 1s are 2 only can be done. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 1. Now if you get 1, then directly here 2 zeros are 0. Remainder is again 1. Therefore, 61 equals to how much? 61 is equals to, from down to up we have to write 1 1 1 1. अनि फेरि एउटा 0 अनि 1. Base 2 1 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, you have to divide by 2 and remainder right here. Remainder cannot be other than 0 and 1. Okay, either 0 or 1 only we get here as remainder. अनि मुनिदेखि माथिसम्मको नम्बरलाई अर्डरमा लेख्ने. That is what is your answer. Okay, thank you.